Yes, hi friends. In previous session, we are already discussing about what is B plus tree and how to construct B plus tree, that is insertion operation, right? So in this session, we are mainly concentrating on deletion operation, right? So what is the main purpose of deletion operation? So this operation is used to remove or delete a key value presented at leaf nodes, right? So this operation is similar to B tree's deletion operation. So what are the considerable cases for leaf node deletion operation in B trees? So if the node contains more than minimum key values. So first case is more than minimum key values. More than minimum key values, we can apply deletion procedure directly. Deletion directly. This is the first case, right? If the node contains minimum key value, so here more than minimum key values, this node borrow a key from immediate left or immediate right. This case is only applicable for if left node as well as right node contains more than minimum key values, then only those nodes ready to give key to this node. Otherwise he does not ready to give keys, right? Then what is the third case? So if left as well as right nodes that does not contains more than minimum key values, we are applying merging procedure, combined procedure from its root to left or root to right. So that is the actual deletion procedure for B tree operation. B trees, right? So that procedure is also applicable for B plus tree deletion operation. So here I am considering only root nodes. Why? Because in B plus trees leaf nodes, here I am considering leaf nodes only. Why? Because leaf node stores only actual data. Internal node stores the indexes of the some key values, right? So that's why there is no need to delete the internal nodes. Once key values are deleted, is there any index values associated to that keys? That index values is all automatically deleted, right? Suppose if I want to delete 4, so after successful deletion of 4, related index value 4 is also deleted, right? So for suppose I want to delete 12, so after deletion of 12, index value of 12 is also deleted, right? So in this operation, we are deleting actual data as well as indexes of the key values also, right? So remember that one. That is very, very important thing, right? So here I am taking this tree. This is B plus tree. So here leaf nodes maintains the actual data with the help of linked list representation, right? So here I am performing deletion operation on this B plus tree, right? So first of all, here I am deleting 11. So this is fourth order B plus tree. Right? So fourth order B plus tree, number of maximum keys are m is equal to 3. So number of chains keys are maximum keys are m minus 1. That is children 4 minus 1, 3. Minimum keys are minimum keys are 3 minus, so this is fourth order B tree or fourth order B tree. So minimum keys are, so first of all here I am calculating fourth order B tree, m is equal to 4. Minimum children are 4. Minimum keys are 4 minus 1, 3. maximum children, maximum, these are the maximum, these are the maximum minimum child to minimum keys. M by 2 minus 1, 4 by 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1. So minimum key is 1, right? So this is fourth order B tree, right? So for suppose I want to delete 11. So 11 is presented at this node, right? This node contains more than minimum key value. What is the minimum key value? 1. It contains more than minimum key value. So this is the first acceptable case. So that's why directly we can delete 11. So it does not violate any B plus tree property. So directly we are deleting 11. Now tree becomes like this. This tree also satisfies all B plus tree properties, right? So then we are deleting 8. We are deleting 8. So here we are not applying deletion procedure directly. Why? Because this node contains minimum key value only, not more than minimum key values. So in this case, we borrow a key from immediate left or immediate right. So here for this node, immediate left is not presented. So that's why he borrow a key from immediate right. So in which case immediate right gives a key. It contains more than minimum key value. This node contains more than minimum key value. Obviously it gives a key to the node, right? So through node, through this root node, right? So here it gives a key value to this one, right? So here 12 is there, right? So here automatically 12 is deleted. Eight is deleted, so that's why associated index is also deleted for 8, right? So now this node contains 15. So right values are greater than or equal to. So that's why here 15 index is stored, greater than or equal to values. So 12th index is this one. So 8th position is replaced by 12 now. So that's why we are deleting 8th as well as index of 8. So replace it by 12. So that's why index is also replaced by 12 now. Simple thing, right? So here I am deleting 6. So 6 is presented at this node. This node contains more than minimum key value. So that's why we can delete directly. We can delete directly. So 6 index is also presented at this one. So that's why index is also deleted. Now this index is replaced by greater than or equal to of right child, right? So that is 7. Fine. So then we are deleting. So 6 is successfully deleted. Then we are deleting 4. So 4, this node contains more than minimum key value. So that's why directly deleting 4. And 4th index is also deleted. So this index is replaced by right child value. So greater than or equal to values, right? So greater than or equal to values are presented at right side. So that's why obviously one element is there. So that's why 5th index is stored, right? Then we are deleting 5. We cannot apply deletion procedure directly. Why? Because this node contains minimum key value, not more than minimum key value. So in this case, you can borrow a key from immediate left or immediate right, right? So in this case, immediate right does not give any key value to this node. Why? Because this node does not contains more than minimum key values, but this node contains more than minimum key values. So that's why this node is ready to give a key for this one, right? So through this one, right? So here 5 is deleted, associated index is also deleted. So here 3. So 3 is stored. So that's why here I am storing index of 3. Index of 3. Here 3 is deleted. Here index is deleted, right? So here Now this tree satisfies all the properties of B plus tree, right? So deletion of 5, deletion of 5. Then we are deleting 2. We are deleting 2. So we can apply deletion procedure directly. Why? Because this node contains more than minimum key values. More than minimum key values. So directly deleting 2. Now tree becomes like this. Now tree becomes like this. Fine. Then we are deleting 3. We are deleting 3. Right. So here 3 is not directly deleted. Why? Because this node contains minimum key value only. He can borrow a key from immediate left or immediate right. But these two nodes are not ready to give any key value. Why? Because these nodes are also maintains minimum key values, not more than minimum key values. Right. So in such cases, we are applying merging procedure along with left or right. Right. So here I am taking left. Here I am taking. So you have to merge this one also, right? So here I am taking merging these two, right? So here our target is delete 3 now. Now tree becomes like this. Right? So here 7 index is also deleted. Delete 3, 7, 7. Fine. So now tree becomes like this. Apply merging procedure and delete associated index that can be replaced by right of first element, right? This is the tree, right? Then we are deleting. So after deleting 3, we are deleting 7. We are deleting 7. So 7. So 7 is this one, right? So he cannot borrow any key from immediate left or immediate right. Why? Because these are also does not contains more than minimum key values. More than minimum key values. Then we are applying merging procedure along with root, right? So here 7. We are applying merging procedure along with 7, 7. So I want to delete 7 now. So here 12. So root node is comes down 15. 7. So 1, 7, 1, 7, 12, 15. Fine. So here I am deleting 7. So that's why this is deleted after merging. After merging, we are deleting. So associated index is also deleted. Right. Now tree becomes like this. Right. So for suppose I want to delete 12. So 12, it does not take any key value from its left or right. So that's why we are applying merging procedure. So merging these two. 12, 12. So then we are deleting 12, 12. So here I am deleting 12. So that's why index is also deleted. Then we are attached node 1 to 15. Node 1 to 15. So once left child and right child does not give any key value, in such cases we are merging left child or right child. So after merging, delete that element as well as associated index. Now new index becomes inserted position value, right? So this is about deletion of B plus trees, right? So if you have any doubts regarding to this problem, please post your doubts in comment section. Thank you.